Hi, my name is Brinley Packer, and I'm a research assistant for the Materials Physics Group here at USU. This is my lab, and what I've been working on is the effectiveness of multi-layer graded Z forms of radiation shielding. Essentially, there are 4 types of radiation: alpha, beta, gamma, and neutron. However, this experiment only looks at gamma and beta. Beta radiation is electrons emitted by the nucleus of a radioactive atom. It can be stopped with materials like plastic or thick layers of clothing. Gamma rays or X-rays are emitted by the nucleus during radioactive decay. These are very penetrable, and dense substances like lead must be used to shield from it. The purpose of this study was to find more effective ways of using the shielding we already use in a different form. This means layering or braiding materials. In order to do this, we used a Geiger counter. And how the Geiger counter works is there's this tube. The tube is filled with gas, and through the gas is a metal rod that is charged. As radiation particles decay, they enter the tube, ionizing the gas, and the gas sends an electric charge through the wire and is counted by the Geiger counter. We place our source here, and we layer our shielding on top. We used different layers of polyethylene, which is a type of plastic, and lead, and we layered them in variations of thicknesses, amount of layers, and different combinations. We then also used a form of mesh or braided materials to see how they would hold up against the plastic and lead. What we discovered is that as for the layering, it's what you would expect. The single layer of polyethylene or multiple layers of polyethylene did not block the radiation as well as a single layer of lead with the same thickness or layered lead of the same thickness. And what we found with layering the different materials together was that it stayed in that middle ground. However, we did find some good results with the braided materials. We found that it worked much more effectively than the polyethylene. It didn't work quite as well as lead, but that would be understood because it's just steel. And what we find from this is that we can use this to protect cabling and wires and anything that needs to be more malleable than having a shield of lead around it.